Teachers are particularly known as the lantern in the darkest paths. They are near to God. They are soul of the classroom and role models of the students. Every year on 5th of September, Teachers' Day is celebrated to value the life and deeds of the great teachers who love their students as their children. Hindu philosophy and culture considers the guru or teacher as the supreme being who invokes the light of knowledge while illuminating the darkness of ignorance. Let us honor our teachers for imparting knowledge and wisdom to us. And it is a great opportunity to rekindle, re-emphasize, inculcate and re-establish the noble and social values of Indian Hindu culture into their family fold. Let us express our love, gratitude and reverence towards our teachers, and I would like to invite girls from class 8 for Guru Vandana. After Guru Vandana, today on Teachers' Day, let's be glad and grateful for the teachers as they teach us not how to make a living but how to live. Thanks a million, dear teachers. God bless you all. And next, I would like to invite Shami from class 8 for mantras. Thank you so much, Shami. Let us all pray for our teachers today. May God bless all our teachers and grant them strength, energy, joy and peace. Let us pray to God. Everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, my dear friends, Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on September 5 to mark the birthday of the country's second president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. And next, I would like to call students of class 8 for national song dedicated to the Radhakrishnan who served the country India as the first vice president and second president. Please welcome them. After national song, India is our country. The aim of Pledge of Allegiance is to instill love for our country, liberty, justice and democracy in the hearts and the minds of the youth. It's time for pledge and let us take an oath with Myra from class 8. Thank you so much, Myra. Teachers are an important role model for the entire society as they work hard for shaping their students. We thank to all the teachers for educating, guiding and shaping the future of the nation. Dear teachers, you mean a lot to us. With this, I would like to invite Shalabh from class 8 for today's thought. Good morning everyone. My name is Shalabh. Thought of the day is: teachers, I believe, are the most responsible and important members of society because their professional efforts affect the fate of the earth. Said by Helen Caldecott. Thank you very much, Shalabh. 5th of September makes us understand the importance of teachers in our lives, and we honor our teachers, mentors and guides with celebrations. Do we all know the reason behind its celebration? Why Teachers' Day is celebrated on September 5. So, to know the importance of this day, I would like to invite Param from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you, Param, for such a knowledgeable speech. The daily news is especially necessary to know how the world is changing, the things that are happening. News keeps us updated and provides important information. For today's news update, I would like to invite Harshita from class 8. Thank you so much, Harshita. And now let us calm our mind and still our soul, because it is a time to enjoy poems and experience more happiness. On the special occasion of Teachers' Day, let us enjoy beautiful poems. For this, I would like to invite Mansi from class 8 and Vaishnavi from class 7. Thank you so much, Mansi and Vaishnavi. And now we are at the end of today's morning assembly. Let us pay respect to our nation by singing National Anthem together. Get ready for National Anthem and start. After National Anthem, dear teachers, thank you so much for inspiring hope in us, igniting our imagination and instilling in us a love of learning. We will always be thankful to you for all the hard work and efforts you have put in for educating us even in very difficult times of COVID-19. Happy Teachers' Day to you all. Stay well. And here we would end today's morning assembly. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.